So, ladies and gentlemen, dear students, it's my pleasure and honor to welcome you to our Iustoria 2025 conference, War and Peace in Legal History. It is our sixth Iustoria and hopefully not nearly the last. We are very happy to have you with us today. We apologize for this slight delay in beginning. Unfortunately, we have some minor changes in schedule in our opening, since Professor Bojan Milisavljević, our Dean, and Professor Polojac, our Head of the Department of Legal History, are unable to join us today, but that means we will be shorter and this delay won't affect the rest of the schedule. So it is my honor to present to you Professor Dalibor Đukić, our Vice Dean for International Cooperation, who will say a few welcoming words.
Thank you, Nina. Dear colleagues, dear students, it is my great pleasure to be today here with you and to have this opportunity to open the sixth conference, Iustoria 2025. It is one of the most important conferences, student conferences that we have at our faculty. Another one dealing with legal theory. That is also one conference that has attracted attention from our students and the students also from abroad. So I should extend greetings of our dean, Professor Milisavljević, who was unable to attend today this conference, but he and our faculty are supporting this conference, and I hope that you will have successful presentations and fruitful discussions during during 3 days of this conference. The topic, unfortunately, of this conference is pretty much topical, and we who are sitting here in front of you, unfortunately, again, have experienced wars actually in former Yugoslavia, and having conference dealing with war in our region is, I believe, something important, because we will have the opportunity to discuss how people during the history tried to regulate wars. So during the war, of course, there is only one goal, and that is to win. It's very simple. But people from the very early stages of human history have understood that it's not, you cannot use any mean in order to win, and that even wars must be somehow regulated. So I'm looking forward to hearing your opinions, to hearing the results of your research, and I hope that maybe we can, hopefully actually, we can prevent future wars in Europe and also in the rest of the world. The real situation, unfortunately, you know that we have one war at this moment in Europe, many other wars, not many, but still few other wars. One war is too much, and I hope that dealing with wars throughout history can help us to avoid future mistakes. Thank you for your attention, and once again, I wish you a very successful conference and fruitful, that is maybe the most important, fruitful discussions after your presentations. Thank you so much.
Thank you, dear Dalibor. I would also like to say a few words as chair of the organizing committee. I think Dalibor has already spoken very well about this year's subject, and you all will be speaking about it. So I just wanted to say a few words about the tradition of our conference. We started holding Iustorias in 2020. As some of you might recall, that was when COVID started in full blow, so that wasn't really a very auspicious start, but it was very successful anyway. despite the fact that we originally intended to invite everyone here and to gather as many students in Belgrade as we can, we ended up holding the first 3 conferences solely online. But despite that fact, they were very successful conferences. We had beautiful papers, we had very interesting discussions, we had wonderful keynote speakers, professors who talked on a variety of subjects. So even in those conditions, we managed to thrive. You can still see the recordings of those conferences online on our faculty's YouTube. And approximately in the same time as Iustoria, we also started our student journal in legal history, the Herald of Legal History, which has been coming out regularly twice a year since then. And many of the papers from Iustoria end up published in the Herald. So this is also an invitation to all of you, after you have completed your paper, maybe after implementing some new ideas that you will hear here at the conference, please do send the papers to us to get them published in the Herald of Legal History. This year, we have also postponed our conference, and many of the presenters from abroad will present online due to the fact that we have had to change the date even 3 times due to the current circumstances in Belgrade, which fortunately have improved greatly lately, and I hope that the trend will continue. But since we have had wonderful experiences, even with the conferences being fully online for the first 3 years, I believe that the fact that we are working very heavily in hybrid mode will not affect the quality of either the presentations or the discussions. And once again, my thanks for everyone who is here, either in person or online. Particular thanks to our friends from Banja Luka who have traveled to be here with us in person today. So I would like to invite those of you who are here now to take a group photo together. I know not everyone will be here at any given moment. There are people presenting tomorrow or on Wednesday who will come in person then but haven't been able to now. But at least those of us who are here at the opening, let's please stand here in front of the table and have a quick picture together. Those of you who are online, if you wish to be seen at least on the screen, please turn on your cameras so we can see your beautiful faces. If you don't wish to, you don't have to. And then after that, we shall proceed immediately with our first keynote lecture. Let's have a photo.